Bonne to sa.
Are they naba?
Bonne to Akomea to Masa. Yeah, bro. Season one with Manchester United about 6 matches consecutive are winning our Premier League. Mumbo me present me statistics bisa.
Season way. Me who be biasa.
Moko 6 matches on the bounce. Who be biasa.
Who be biasa. Me da abo me bi say siara.
Say Liverpool how many matches unbeaten?
I was over
7 straight.
Yeah, 7.
The entire said the only team that has challenged Manchester City in this era is Liverpool. No? You get a point? If you World Cup in the Bayern, Arsenal 42 points, Liverpool 43 points. Why do you cause that?
Yeah.
The standard to win the Premier League has been altered significantly by that juggernaut. Because you own to me, because some natural fans, I'm going to top players with you know.
Yeah.
I'm task. We need 10 matches, 11 matches, 14 matches. That's what they do.
Don't want you.
Massa 14, 15. Massa, 45 points out of 45. How do you compete that? Look, it's a juggernaut. Fabia Tunche. And then you share you come on and say, oh, Germany. Nako Pimo. It appears the transfer plans of the two giants in Germany or Mopa League is being shaped up by possible departures. Now, Yabesha say Bayern Munich. Enra Ryan Grafenbeck, it did 21 years. For those with genuine interest, Grafenbeck will Liverpool next season.
Liverpool next season.
Now, near Obani, Adao Bonidin, lady now will replace Pogba, the agent.
Rafaela Pimenta.
I think Onya Butrekakra.
Are they?
She's really upsetting the big clubs now.
Are they why?
Kobas, the Liverpool Gravenberg, Bayern Munich, some man in corner. Gravenberg, player side, and he's even agreed to a move already.
Oh, okay.
And they would force Bayern Munich to sell him because of a game time. Now, under 21 team, I bought European under 21. Okay. When player power gets to that point, there isn't much you can do. But say Bayern Munich intend to replace him with a mobile number 8. Do you know their definition of a mobile number 8? Mateo Kovacic.
Oh, okay.
Again, or a player manager in Juma. Until GD say obetimi abuano. So, say Gravenberg Mateo Kovacic is somebody they would want from Chelsea. Which indicates Chelsea would have to look for another number 8. Ball progresses no more Chelsea no. I'm saying you obetime suana na mo ne kakra no potentially could be Kanichuku Emeka. Now, if Bayern Munich are getting a progressive number 8 to replace Ryan Gravenberg, it comes at a point where Ombesanya a technician number 8. Until this could be the right-sided 8, and then the technician number 8 could be the left-sided 8. Kwaku, Konrad Laimer, a free Leipzig, Abba.
Yes.
In a free transfer. So another body in the midfield. Enra, you could pay more Netherlands, could be said, then cost Amsterdam, dear damn no more. Almost you. Edson Alvarez and maybe not Chelsea, Penno, and a free Ajax Amsterdam. And then Bayern Munich, and Dortmund in Abba, or more per Brantian. Who was the manager when Bayern Munich wanted Edson Alvarez? It was Thomas Tuchel.
Yeah.
And there was Sanko back. Nenoni had to say Bayern Munich our interest our Edson Alvarez according to Mark Verma more Amsterdam. But the problem for them is that Dortmund a more concrete interest and have even started talks. Then it goes back and Chebia Sebastian Aller. I'm confirmed if you chromo. Daniel Marlin. I'm confirmed if you chromo.
Yeah.
So like if they genuinely want him, they would push. And other news filtering through. And they say Dortmund and Kasane are also looking at another mobile number 8 or 10, which fits the bill perfectly for Mohamed Kudus.
Oh, that's uncommon there last time.
Thank you.
It didn't come on there.
So, I didn't think Dortmund yes, sir. Omunim say Bellingham and Real Madrid or personal terms agreement. Real Madrid emfa offer Biam Realm but they are bracing themselves up for the offer from Real Madrid for Jude Bellingham. And on country almost up so move, but almost in your mind, so bet now I entry Manesi and son on Bequa or Macquaco replacement. So season the Mbunwe, Dortmund Air Liga J, Bayern Munich Air Liga J, but they have another battle outside Germany in the Netherlands trying to price away Edson Alvarez. But as it stands today, said Dortmund will come on for Edson Alvarez. What it means, just like Ryan Gravenberch and Kovacic today, Dortmund would need Alvarez as a replacement or a number 6 to push Daniel Marlin closer to Julian Brandt in their double 8. Clubs, squad planning, preparing for what happens in the future. You move away from there. Another news coming out on Sadio Mane. Now I said now you say Germany for now start to Munchini. Mane. And now I call Sky Germany. The next picture, the questions they were asking, Charlie. This is Sadio Mane, Charlie. Bayern Munich and for now are not happy with him. I say on it, and say they would want to recoup most of the money they spent on him, 20 million euros. And then you see, can now after tax a year and a dose more in 20 minutes in a bench. Until the Premier League looks the likeliest destination for him. So Sadio Mane ever Premier League, no man, why never general? You see, he is behind his best years. And Mane ani him no Premier League no. One aspect of his game, now sana any explosiveness. So Mane jibon no ba, he was that quick. He's been very quick for Southampton. He's been very quick for Liverpool. Now Mane he cannot be so explosive. So he would need to rely on his technical attributes. And Newcastle possibly, say Chelsea per winger, they should, but Mane are now and the reason is quite simple. He's lost some of his explosiveness. Mikana no Timituno, and ne untimi nyasadi and bien, but then the news coming out is not the greatest of it, but it's painful. Obefanisa. Obia prepare. Now why be him prepare? The next preparation ground Yao Cancelo. Cancelo if Manchester City nearby, and he also hasn't got a long-term future in Sabena Stras. Nti Obesa Koninchi. No could see a kind of Manchester City. Now over Manchester City near 70 baby. Manchester City near my end season where without Yao Cancelo. What is the guarantee? Say Oba, you best sign Amano at now Gyemfi on copy of France.